Hi, team. I want to thank you for joining me today on what I believe will be a very exciting training because I'm going to show you what it takes to build a successful first fitness nutrition business that lasts, that is sustainable, and that is fun doing it. And over the last couple of weeks, we've had quite a lot of excitement created here with the introduction of our new fast start bonuses and rank advancement bonuses. And the one thing I do not want to happen is for you to have all this excitement in the month of January only to be frustrated in February because you don't quite know what to do, or you might feel stuck in other areas. And so hopefully this training is designed for all new team members and all existing team members who are wanting to build a thriving business and really capitalize on this new season of growth that we are going to experience in 2026. And so I just want to share my experience and my insight on what I believe it takes to build a successful first fitness nutrition business. And I want to start off by sharing with you a question that has been a very big debate in our industry for decades. And I want to put my 2 cents on it. And it boils down to this. Do you build a business focusing on customers only, focusing on team members only? Or do you focus on the products, or do you focus on the opportunity? And the answer to those questions is you have to do both, which leads me to this first slide that I'm going to show you right now. And that is customers and team members is what creates residual income. So let's just talk about that because I want to develop the right mindset here. Customers alone will not build you residual income, because if you're just concentrating on customers, that means all the effort is based on what you personally do. And that's why we encourage people wanting to build a business to do both recruiting of customers and team members, because when you get team members on your team, now your team members are using and consuming products, but what are they doing? They are out looking for customers and team members. That's what creates the duplication, and that's what creates the residual income. Residual income is the reason that a lot of us get involved in network marketing. It is to make a small percentage on a lot of other people's efforts instead of a big percentage on just what we do, because then the business is determined on everything that we do. And we want to have a sustainable business based on the efforts of other people. So you've got to have customers and you've got to have team members. Now, when you are starting to prospect, and even if you are intentionally prospecting for team members to build the business with you, the reality is this. This is really what happens. Even though they might be excited about joining the business, and here again, I'm not saying that people don't join the business as team members without trying the products. There's a small percentage that do, but the vast majority will say this to you: I want to try the products. And when they say, I want to try the products, that's a big win for you, because all they're saying is, let me try the products so I can get results and build belief in what you're asking me to go and share and promote. So customers, in my opinion, are the foundation of a successful business. In fact, if you want to do a health check on your business, I would tell you to do this, and you might want to take some notes here. What is the amount of your personal volume every month? Because in my opinion, your personal volume is a very big key indicator to look at every month, because what's included in personal volume? It's the products that you are consuming. Let's address that for a second. Are you using the products to the extent that you need to be? The more products you use, the more products you're going to be excited about, and the more products that you're going to share. Do you have customers on products? Because customers on products means that you have a healthy business. Do you have VIP customers on products? So if you don't have customers using products, VIPs using products, my question is then, where are you finding your potential new team members from? And so that is something that's very significant. And customers create volume, they generate repeat orders. Sometimes a retail customer turns into a VIP customer. And especially with our Trimston weight loss program, you are able to enroll customers who want to get on Trimston very easily into the VIP program. Why? Because they're going to shop and save, and they need to get on Trimston for at least 90 days to reap the benefits of the program and to also achieve the weight loss results that they want. And also, it is a pipeline for new team members. So the next segment of our training is what we're calling compensation plan rewards. And this is very important for all team members who want to build a business to learn the different ways that you earn income and what system is it that we use to teach people how to earn income. Because this determines how you get your customers to order, when you have VIP customers, what they should do, when do you sign up team members, how do you sign up team members. All these activities are going to be driven by your understanding of the compensation plan. And so in the compensation plan, the easiest way to show someone how to make money and to teach someone how to make money is plugging into the Focus on 3 to earn $3,000 a month business building system for making money. And it's based on get 3, teach 3, and repeat. And that in itself is very simple to understand and to teach. And it's all based on achieving phase 1, which is phase 1 of the power bonus. And the reason that this is important, because it's based on 3 simple steps. Number 1, we're asking you to make a commitment to your health with a $100 smart chip. Second, we want you to get 3 VIP customers or team members on a monthly smart chip. And third requirement is to have $500 in personal volume, which is your personal orders, your retail customer orders, and your VIP customer orders. And when you do that, you get a $100 power bonus. Now, the significance of this phase 1 is the understanding of why it's so important. Why does it matter so much? Well, phase 1 unlocks power bonus. It's a requirement to earn fast start bonuses. It's a requirement to earn rank advancement bonuses. And it unlocks residual income. So without a phase 1, people don't unlock all avenues of income. And so understanding the importance of power bonuses is very significant to your business building strategy, because power bonuses are driven by VIP customers and team members on a monthly smart chip. So now let's stop and talk about a training element here. I think we can all agree, if the vast majority of people are trying the products first, they're using the products, they get a result, it is a little bit easier for them to share the results of the products and share that product experience before they share the opportunity experience. I wish it was the other way around, but remember, this is how it really happens. So getting a new team member to get 3 VIP customers, especially if they're using the Trimston weight loss program, is not hard. And power bonuses is driven by what? VIP customers and team members. So I think this is the mindset that you want to get people to understand. It is much better for you to have VIP customers and team members on a smart chip than just a regular retail customer. Now, we're not saying we don't want retail customers, but there's a very key element here to the success of your business, and that's understanding that you need VIP customers on smart chip and you need team members on smart chip to drive the income. And then we have the fast start bonuses, which have just been introduced. Fast start bonuses reward new team member momentum. It allows you to get a brand new team member and show them the income possibility within their fast start period, which is the enrollment month plus 3 consecutive months after that. It rewards early consistency. If someone is achieving a fast start bonus, they are starting off and doing some consistent daily activities to build their business. And it's a fast progress towards our core rank, which is director. And now I'm going to show you what I recommend that we all do when we enroll a new team member that says they want to build a business. First of all, you've got the enrollment month. And in the enrollment month, they're trying the products. We want to help them plug into the training system, which is the team member training system. And we want to help them set their fast start goal. When do they want to become a 2-star, 3-star director? Then we want to help them create a list so we can start contacting, inviting, and presenting. And if you'll notice on the slide here, it says with upline and sponsor. You will accelerate the progress of a new team member's success when you are engaged and helping them in their fast start period. And then you want them to start working and building phase 1. We're not waiting. You don't have to be perfect. It's just action in motion. Now you'll notice on this slide, I'm saying months 1 and 2, because we don't want to just say, well, it's the enrollment month, they're not going to do anything. What I'm recommending on this slide can happen in the enrollment month if it's possible. But what do we want to do? We want to complete phase 1, at least by the end of their second month. And do you know that if you go and take a look at the history of people earning a phase 1, when someone earns a phase 1, they automatically hit 2-star. And when they hit 2-star, they're going to get a rank advancement bonus. And what does that do? It builds belief and it builds confidence for them to move to the next stage of the fast start, which is focusing on the core rank director. And this is probably going to happen in month 2 to 4. So what do we want to do in getting them focused? We want to build customer volume. We want to continually help them add customers, VIP customers, to their team. We want to show them how to enroll team members. And why is that important? So you as the sponsor and your new team member can teach them how to earn phase 1. Director is the foundation rank. It's your core rank. Folks, this is very simple. Now, what I'm going to do is take you over to office. And once your new team member has logged into office, they will find on their dashboard a button called My Fast Start Bonus. And this keeps track of their fast start activity. It tells them about their SmartShip, their personal volume, or their phase 1 qualified, and how many months they have remaining in their fast start period. If they click on this how to qualify, it gives them an overview of the fast start bonus program and the rewards that comes with it. And there's even a how to qualify, and all you have to do is click on each of these buttons here. So if you want to know how to become a director, you click on it, and then they'll get this pop-up, and it shows them how to qualify as a director. So it's all in one place. And what's unique about this is you are then able to coach your new team members and let them use their back office to keep track of their activity. Very simple to understand. Now, for our existing team members and new team members who are inspired to move up the career path once they get through the fast start, we have something called rank advancement bonuses. Rank advancement rewards leadership, consistent action, and long-term growth. And just as a self-check, make sure that all of you have qualified for your phase 1 power bonus, because phase 1 is a requirement for rank advancement. And likewise, we have just established a new progress tracker for you, and that's also in your back office. And once you've logged in, you're going to see rank advancement. You're going to click on that, and it's going to tell you your rank advancement bonus tracker. It's going to tell you what your recognition rank is, what your base rank is, and your statistics for rank advancement. Also, you'll notice we've got a how to qualify button here as well, as we did on the fast start. And this tells you exactly what you need to do to qualify. And likewise, you want to know the qualifications to become a gold, just click on it and it tells you the requirements to become a gold. So this is a very unique tool that is going to keep track of your business activity. Now, continuing with our training, we have residual income. Residual income It's the magic reward of building a First Fitness Nutrition business, because this is built on customer and team member volume, but more specifically, it is built from team member duplication, because it is the enrollment of team members and getting them excited about building a business that creates the residual income. And it's also about you showing up with leadership consistency. If there's one thing I want to share with you, it's this. You've got to be consistent in building this business. And if you are consistent in those daily activities, you are going to have a phenomenal business. Before I finish up my final segment of today's webinar, let's just recap what we've covered today. We have shared that you have got to have customers and team members to have a successful business. We have shown you how to earn income and the significance of power bonuses, unlocking the key to fast start bonuses, rank advancement bonuses, which creates residual income. We've given you a suggestion to implement with your new team members, getting them started, and what you should do from the enrollment month to the end of their fast start period. And then we've shown you how they can access their fast start progress and how you can benefit from rank advancement bonuses and how to access your rank advancement activity. Now we've got to put into action the simple business building activities that are going to let us have a successful business. And that starts off by plugging into the system. Everyone needs to know what are the systems that we use to build and to earn. To build a business, you're going to plug into the team member training. To earn income, you focus on to earn $3,000 a month on a part-time basis initially. So why I like referring everyone to the team member training is because it tells you what to do and how to do it. I almost think of this is your weekly forecasting. This is your weekly action plan, if you will. Why? Because in the team member training, it tells you you've got to be building and adding to your list. Here's my encouragement to you. If you want to be part of this new season of growth, I'm going to encourage you to build a new list or add to your existing list on a daily basis if possible. You're going to have to be contacting and inviting to present. And when you're presenting, use the tools to create duplication. Videos for products, videos for the opportunity. Plug people into the system. Follow up. Always going to have to follow up. Not everyone is going to make a decision the first time that you show them anything about the product or the opportunity. And that's why there is fortune in the follow-up. And then you're going to help when you're following up your customers or team members to make a decision and then duplicate the process. This is the system we use, and this is the system we teach. Become an expert in the team member training. As far as your daily method of operation, part-time, full-time, here's my encouragement to you. Do you want to be part of the new season of growth? Do you want to live life on your terms? I'm going to encourage you to try and make at least 1 to 2 product presentations a day, 1 to 2 opportunity presentations a day. Make sure you're following up with your customers. And if you're a team leader who's already got a team, what are you doing to support and coach your customers and your team members on a daily basis? Because consistent daily activities are going to create income. So here's my final thought for today's presentation. We have created an incredible platform, a roadmap, if you will, for a new season of growth at First Fitness Nutrition. I hope you take what you've learned today and implement it immediately. I hope that you become an expert in team member training. You become an expert in understanding how focus on 3 to earn 3K a month works. Because if you can become an expert in those 2 systems, you're going to have a confidence level like never before, and that's going to give you the motivation to go and tell people how to build the business, how I earn income, and then get into action. And you can turn your dreams into reality. Let's move into February. You've got to remember, February's only got 28 days. We've got to turn up the speed in the month of February. And I'm going to be supporting you with weekly trainings to keep you motivated, keep you encouraged, and keep you learning so you can become more, achieve more, and earn more in 2026. Thank you for joining me. I look forward to celebrating your success.